How do I buy a video workflow solution that isn't trendy, forcing me to move to a new system in 10 years?
So when I look at our history as a company, I'm super proud, to be honest, to have companies that have been using Object Matrix and Matrix Store solution for over 10 years in the media industry. And those companies are still going strong. I expect them to still be there in 10 years' time, 20 years' time, using our technology. So what is it about our technology that's enabling them to do that, where other companies have gone LTO3, LTO4, LTO, gazillion, that have bought the best of breed storage solution, only to find out 2 years later that it's not the best of breed storage solution? Well, it is actually the whole philosophy behind object storage, which is basically, let's abstract away the hardware. It's a software-defined solution. The hardware is a layer that can be replaced, evolved. You do not want to be the storage expert. You don't have to be the storage expert. You can let the software, you can let specialist companies like Object Matrix provide that solution that takes away that headache from you. So once you have your storage on object storage, here's the great thing about it, right? That object in its purest form, and any company that really understands object storage understands, here's my data with its metadata in a nice parcel. It is transportable. It can go to the cloud. It can go on-prem. It can go anywhere. And that data with its metadata are encapsulated in a nice, secure, safe way that enables you to move that object through time, metadata and data together. We haven't had that in the past. We've had proprietary databases. We've had technology that requires somebody to go in and do a data migration. What a horror story. It's absolutely terrible. Get your data into object storage, wherever that object storage is, because that object will move through time and enable us to keep data safely.